Hey everyone, check out these heavy-duty tent stakes designed for ultimate stability in all outdoor conditions. Made from robust steel, these ground anchors screw in easily and hold strong against high winds and tough weather. Whether you're securing a tent, trampoline, or gazebo, the sturdy orange stakes provide reliable support every time. The kit includes multiple sizes and a handy adapter, plus a 30-foot nylon rope for versatile use. Installation is quick and simple, even on challenging terrain, thanks to the exclusive adapter design. These tent stakes are perfect for campers and families who need dependable gear that won't let them down. Experience worry-free outdoor adventures with these premium screw and ground anchors built to last. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.